Good morning, students. Today we are continuing with grammar itself, and our today's topic is adverb. Adverb. Adverbs are words that tells us more about the verbs, adjectives or other adverbs in a sentence. Now what is adverb first of all? What adverbs do? It shows the words which are related to verb and adjective. With that itself it shows the words which are related to adverbs, means other adverbs. So what are other adverbs? Which words it shows as adjective and verb? We will see ahead in this lesson. Some examples related to verb, adjective or adverbs. Now there are some examples we have searched related to verb, adjective or other adverb. So we will go one by one. First, Sarah play with her friends daily. Now here daily has been underlined. So what is written in the bracket? We will read it. The adverb daily tells us how often Sarah plays. It describes the verb plays. Now what verb is? Verb is an action word, right? So daily word has been mentioned as an action. So what Sarah do? Sarah play with her friends daily. So daily is a verb of action. Okay, so in adverb the daily is being word is marked as a verb. Second, Tanmay drives extremely fast. Now here extremely word is been underlined. So in bracket what is written? The adverb extremely describe the adverb fast. Now extremely means about adverb. We will read out more about adverb and other adverbs in this video. So it is also known as adverb. Fast is a word itself. Third, the lake is almost empty. Now almost word is underlined here. Almost tells us more about the adjective empty. So almost is also known as a adjective word. Now we will learn adverbs are of 5 kinds. Which are 5 kinds of adverb we will see here. First, adverbs of manner. Means what manners are used here, it's known as an adverb of manner. Second, adverb of place. Places, about places it has been talked. Third, adverbs of time. The times mentioned, not exactly like time which we write, not time, but related to time is mentioned. Fourth, adverbs of degree. What degrees are been mentioned here, it is said. Fifth, adverbs of frequency. What frequency is been used here, it is said. So we will learn one by one with the meaning and example. So first we are moving with adverb of manner. Adverb of manner tells us the manner or way in which something happens. The answer the question how or what. Adverbs of manner mainly modify the verbs. Now what is the work of adverb manner? Adverb manner often means mostly it asks as a question. Like how or what the words are been used. Means how and what the word are been used means how it can, what it will be, like that. Means not exactly like question how we ask what is your name, not like that, but how it going to happen, what will happen, how you will do, what you are going to do, like that. Questions means how often we have the manner of asking questions, means it is like a question. So we will see the example. First, he speaks softly. Now this is the answer, like example, the first one. So related to question given in the bracket, how does he speak, means this was a question, it may be, so the answer was given. How does he speak? So answer was given, he speaks slowly. So slowly is a adverb of manner, means how he speak, loudly, slowly. This is known as a manner. The slowly is a manner, way of speaking. Hope students you are understanding what I mean, what I am meaning to say you, what I am going to say you. Manner means the action which you are showing front. It's known as the manner of adverb. Second, they helped us cheerfully. How did they help us? Cheerfully. Now cheerfully means happily, means with the happiness. Hans drive his car fast. Now in bracket what is the question asked? How does James Bond drive his car? So here it is mentioned that James Bond drives a car fast. So it is also a adverb of manner. Means how he is driving his car shows the manner. He drives slow or fast. Now we will move on to the another kind of adverb, that is adverbs of place. Adverbs of place tells us the place where something happens. The answer the question where. Adverbs of place mainly modify the verbs. Now what is the verb place adverb means? It says something is going to happen when. So for example, the question is asked like that, where are the things is been asked in question. So we will see some examples related to it. Please sit here. Now the question is asked, where should I sit? So answer was, please sit here. It is a place when that person is showing that you have to sit here. They looked everywhere. Where did they look? The question was, where did they look? So answer was, they looked everywhere. Everywhere is the place itself. Means they can say here, there, anywhere. It's known as everywhere. So it is the adverb of place. Two cars were parked outside. Question, where two cars parked? Now where the two cars were parked? The question is asked like that. So where we park the car? Outside. The place is mentioned. The adverb of place is outside. Now we are moving to adverbs of time. Adverb of time tells us something about the time that something happens. Adverbs of time mainly modify the verb. Now here again the adverbs of time mentions has the time. So what is going to happen or something is going to happen. So we will see the example to understand more about time. They can answer the question when. Now mostly the adverb of time mention when it is going to happen, when you are going to come. So here are some example. The first, he came yesterday. The question is, when did he come? Now he asked the question like this, when did he come? So he got the answer for it, he came yesterday. So yesterday was the time. Means in this I starting only explained you the time is not about 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock like that. Time is not mentioned in this. Yesterday, today, tomorrow, day after tomorrow, like that thing is mentioned. So it is also known as a time. Second, I want it now. When do I want it? Now. Now is also a adverb of time. Now we will move on to another adverb, adverbs of degree. Adverbs of degree tells us the degree or the extent to which something happens. They answer the question how much or to what degree. Adverbs of degree can modify adjective and other adverb. Now the same adverb of degree means what something is going to happen, how much or to what degree. So in this it also modify the verb and adjective or the other adverb. So we will see some related example to it. She entirely agree with him. Question, how much does she agree with him? Now here entirely means degree of adverb. Mary is very beautiful. To what degree is Mary beautiful? How beautiful is Mary? Third, he drove quite dangerous. To what degree did he drive dangerously? How dangerously did he drive? These are the different types of question we can ask. Adverbs of frequency. An adverbs of frequency shows how often an action is done. Adverbs of frequency means often, means not every time but sometime. Or they can answer the question how often. It's known as frequency. He always swims with his friends. Means always also he likes to do that thing every day. Or he likes to do often. Often means sometime. Frequency means sometime or every time. It's like that. Frequency means it mentions like that. Some people likes to swim every day. Some likes to often. Sometimes they do. Or in a while, month while or year while or week while. Second, he never goes out without his umbrella. Now this man without failing to take umbrella, he never leaves the home. Means he want umbrella with him daily. Third, I often see bees in the garden. In my garden. Now, often means he always not, but we mostly sees the bees in the garden. The frequency means mostly, oftenly, sometime, anytime are the frequency words. So hope students you all understood what is adverb and the different five kinds of adverbs. What adverbs play? Adverb plays the roles, shows you the roles of showing you the adjective and the verb in the sentence with that other adverb. Other adverb means that this five kinds of adverb is known as a other adverb. So hope students you all understood what is adverb and kinds of adverbs and how many kinds are there. There are five kinds. Adverb of manner, adverb of place, adverb of time, adverb of degree, adverb of frequency. So thank you class.